So now, example number 2 is more of the same. It says proving an angle relationship. So now, for example number 2, we have a transversal that intersects two lines. Well, I better draw a little bit better setup. Guys, quit whispering. My microphone can record it. Unless you have a question for me, and then I would encourage you to ask me your question. So I have all these lines here. And notice I'm not going to say they're parallel. But we're going to prove it. So we have line A and line B. And it says that we have angle 1, angle 5, angle 8, and angle 7. And it says given our line A is parallel to B, prove that angle 1 and angle 8 are supplementary. Okay, does that make sense? That's what we're going to do.
So we don't have like the T.
No, you could write the T. They normally don't write it down. Mr. Adams just does that so you guys learn the terminology. All right. So what I will do is I'm gonna make this a little bit. Shoot. I drew that kind of big. Boy, that doesn't really help, does it?
No.
All right. Well, I drew it kind of big, but I'll just do my proof real small over here on the side.
Wait, tabs. Is he select? You have to like shift your finger.
I know, but I'm trying. I got to group all of them together to make. I wanted to shrink it and make it smaller, but that's okay.
She's telling you how.
How? Show me real quick.
I don't know. I'm not. I've just seen Mrs. Drugs do it.
All right. I think I can do it, but watch.
She goes like that.
So if I go like this,
Then she goes.
yeah.
Wait, select it. And she goes.
Yeah, shape.
I don't know how she does it. But I've seen her do it. There.
Yeah.
All right.
And then
All right. Good job. Thank you. Perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much. All right. So now I've got my two parallel lines, and I got to do the proof. So let's do the proof.
Are we gonna have to do proofs on purpose?
Shh. So now my statement, and then my reason for the proof. Okay, you guys with me? So the first thing is A is parallel to B, and my reason that was given to us. Okay? Sometimes to prove parallel lines, you'll see extra marks like that. Those two extra marks are a way to let the reader know that those are parallel lines. Okay, the double arrows. And so then, well, what I know is that angle 1 is congruent to angle 5. Sloppy handwriting. Right? Now, what reason is that? What kind of angles are those?
Oh, no, about it.
Corresponding. So it's a corresponding angles postulate. So they're corresponding angles. Okay? All right, so cool. Hey, this is easier than I thought. So what do I know about angle 5 and angle 8? Yeah, so I could say that angle 5 plus angle 8 equal 180. And you guys said it, they're supplementary, but why?
Because they're
Can
angles
we
put
say that
together.
they're the same?
Or it's one big angle, one small angle.
Well, yeah, the big, but we gotta be a little more formal. She said one's a big angle, one's a small angle.
They're
Yes.
transversal.
Is that called a?
Yeah, you guys are all saying the
Vertical
same thing,
angles.
but they're not vertical angles. It's a linear pair, right? So what that means is they share the same side of the line and there's an angle. So remember that a linear pair, if this is my line, the measure of the angle, the whole line is 180 degrees. So whatever alpha is and beta is, alpha plus beta is always going to add up to 180 degrees. Right? So when you have two angles that share a line, a linear pair, they're always going to add up to 180 because a line is 180 degrees total. Yes?
So if you were to have, like if 2 were to be right under 1, so if you were to have 1, 2, 5, and 8, all those angles, would they equal 360, or would they still equal 180?
Yeah, so the question she's asking is when you have two lines that intersect, you technically have two linear pairs, and if you add them up, will they equal 360? And the answer is yes.